Hey Wellness Warrior, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about more food prep. So I talk about how I prep regularly, usually on Sundays, and one of the things that I wanted to show you is how I prep bacon and those different things that I buy in quantity, for instance, at Costco, and yet with just my husband and I, or even my family of four back in the day, chances are good that we wouldn't have used all of that. Now, I'm Jackie Ulmer, lowertoxiclife.com. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss anything. Give me a like, give me a comment, and grab my guide over at lowertoxiclife.com so you get my grocery shopping guide, how to read labels, notifications of our live cooking shows, and more. So one of the things that I buy, I order from ButcherBox currently as of this recording, and I do get their organic bacon, but I also buy the no antibiotic ever Applewood smoked bacon at Costco. It comes in the 2-pack. And today, for my live cooking show, which I will link below, I did my fabulous one-pan salmon. And so I needed 2 slices of bacon for that. But that's all I need for right now. And actually, I used up some other bacon earlier. So what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to show you how I prep this and how I will leave some out to cook. And some of it, most of it, will go divided up into my fabulous silicone Ziplocs that I love to use. These are ready to go and opened. That way I can just quickly grab, without getting microplastics and all of that, I can grab what I need to go. So here we have the bacon. I'm just gonna roughly half it, okay? I did steal 2 slices out of this particular one because I made that salmon, and I'm just going to put these in the silicone Ziplocs, do the exact same thing with the other thing of bacon, and then these store very nicely, mostly flat in my freezer. I have one shelf that these go on. Now, if I were doing multiple, and if I didn't use these a lot, what I might do is put a little sticker on it that has the date. So I like to be last in, first in, first out, last in, last out. But I don't store a whole lot of this. So I'm going to wipe my hands off so they're not all bacony. And then I just simply seal these, get the air out of them, right? Let's bring you a little closer. Do the little Ziploc, get the air out of them, each one of them, and then again, they're going to store very neatly, stack right into my freezer, taking up a lot less space, and now I can just simply dump these and be good to go. Again, I'm Jackie Ulmer, lowertoxiclife.com. Grab my guide over there. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I have other meal prepping here, and I also am going to share with you this video coming up of how to create a capsule meal plan so that you make eating healthy a lot more likely and even affordable and easy to do on the go.